We're a completely different team than we were 10 years ago.
The transition to the Premier League is huge. We are literally on the global stage now.
We see the fans as they are the match day. Brentford is the best place to come and watch football. Every season the fans vote. There's a scoreboard and we are number one.
It seems to be part of your club's philosophy that you find ways to keep getting better every day.
The performance off the field as well as on the field, we want everyone to be the best of their ability. On a match day, everyone plays a part in the fan experience. If one little thing's not right, it could have such a detrimental effect on Brentford as a football club.
Having like a central platform where everything's captured enables us to have the complete confidence that everyone knows what's happening at all times.
All the way from the safety officer, administrators, broadcasters, ground staff, cleaners, security in the day before, and these could be all happening at the same time. I think it's all about the processes you have in place. Everyone in the operations team has a safety culture app. We do all of our pre-match checks. If something's not quite right, we're able to flag it.
We know we've checked off all the things that we need to do to be ready for an event. It takes the stress away.
We've got a lot of new people that are constantly coming into the football club. We want them to be on the same page as us. Training tools on the Safety Culture app allows us to do that.
We know that everything's completely covered.
By having a QR code on every seat, fans can talk to us. They help us track down problems that are in the stadium.
It pings in, it allows us then to get a camera straight to that area. We can see it live, real time, and then we'll send in the appropriate resources.
It allows us to have our fans and our staff connected on one platform. We can sort problems in the stadium, but having our training on the same app, we can also give them the right training so they can deal with those problems.
Catering,
Yep.
done.
Yep.
Security, have you seen them?
They're sorted.
So it's really a start to finish match day platform for us.
We talk about not making mistakes and everyone working towards the same goals. On a match day, everyone knows their place. We all jump into action.
And everyone else can come here completely worry-free and have the ultimate experience.